children, welcome back to today's period. Today we will complete our fourth and last part of our lesson. Our today's topic is clock and time. Today I will teach you how to read a clock. Children, you all have seen a clock like this. Everyone has different type of clocks in your house. Children, basically clock have three hands: hour hand, minute hand and seconds hand. But firstly, we will focus on hour hand and minute hands. So, now look at this clock. This small hand is called as hour hand and this bigger hand is called as minute hand. The numbers 1 to 12 denotes that what time is it of the day. When small hand is on these numbers, we read the number as 1 to 12. And when bigger hand rotates on numbers, we read them from 0 minutes to 60 minutes. The hour hand 12 says it's 12 o'clock. Our hand on 1, it says it's 1 o'clock. On 2, it says 2 o'clock. This continuously goes on. Similarly, the minute hands on 12 denotes 00 minutes. On 1, it says as 5 minutes. On 2, it says as 10 minutes. On 3, it says as 15 minutes. Similarly, at 6, it denotes 30 minutes and at 9, it denotes 45 minutes. So, here we can say that minute hand start from 0 and increase in the series of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60, which complete one clock cycle, that is 1 hour. Always remember that minute hand rotates faster than hour hand. Therefore, for example, if we say that time is 10 o'clock, then in this case, the small hand will be on 10 and the minute hand will be on 12. If the time is 7:30, then the hour hand will be on 7 and the minute hand will be on 6. We call it as 7:30. So children, I hope that you have got a basic idea of reading a time in the clock. Now children, open page number 110 of your book. One day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures, the time is already written and you must draw the hands on the clock. In others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. In first figure, Kusum gets up early in the morning, where small hand is at 6 in the clock and big hand is at 12. It means that it is 6 o'clock in the morning. Next is she brings water from the well at 6:30 in the morning. So we will set our hand at 6 and minutes hand also at 6, which denotes 6:30 a.m. Draw it similarly in your book. She cleans her house when our hand is at 7 and minutes hand is at 6. So, what time is it? Yes, it is 7:30 in morning. Kusum goes to school at 8 o'clock. So, draw our hand at 8 and minute hand at 12, which denotes 8 o'clock. The time is now 10 o'clock in the clock and she is studying in school. So, write here 10 o'clock. She comes back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Hence, set our hand at 1 and minute hand at 12. Do the same in your book. When small hand is on 2 and bigger hand is on 12, she takes lunch. It means that she has her lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. She plays with her friends at 5:30 in the evening. Draw our hand at 5 and minutes hand at 6. As we know that 30 minutes is shown at 6. 9 o'clock at night. She listened to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps. So, here set our hand at 9 and minute hand at 12. On page number 112, you have to prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. Do this by yourself. Thank you for today's period.